Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been sick of late and everything hasn't been nice on my side, but I thank God I'm improving. So today I want to do some video about the update after that bad rain which finished our matoke plantation and broke down our wall. So I want to give you an update, guys, and we want to elevate the looks of our compound. So this is the wall that was broken. We are so glad we have fixed it. It's there. As you can see, I've already put my bags down, the sack gardens, but since they got broken, I was almost saying, like, let me just leave this season to go. I was like having a second thought of not planting again, but the farming heart in me said no, and I said no, I have to do something. So I'm not only going to use sack gardens this time, I'm also going to use very beautiful containers for my compound. I've come back with strength, and I'm really thankful to God for the friends that reached out. They gave us emotional support, and it was really a hard time. So I'm going to show you how everything is going to be. So right now we are organizing. When you've just planted these things, they really do not look like very good, but just give me some little time, everything is going to shine. So I'm planning on putting here I've planted here my tomatoes, I've planted the spinach, I have planted Chinese cabbage, and I'm also planning on elevating everything around this place, like making this place look better. So I try to buy very beautiful containers that I'm going to use around here. So this is our video, you should stick around and watch. People kind of like our video today. My voice is really low. I'm still on treatment, but yeah. So let me show you how everything is happening. Now these plants, we planted them a few days ago and they are trying to catch up. So we planted spinach, tomatoes and Chinese cabbage. So we are trying to organize, and when the wall fence fell down, everything was messy. So we want to really organize this place and make it really good, and so we can plant our plants and also have it look beautiful. So keep watching. We're going to also put more cement bags, and I'm going to make it really look good. Don't worry, just keep watching. Of course, when we are planting, we put these things somewhere for them to catch up, and then we transplant. So on top of the cement bags, I've bought these beautiful pots that I'm going to use. As you can see, we are trying to put the topsoil. So we are going to put our plants inside here, and then we shall put them in a compound. We wait for them to catch up. Then after they have finished catching up, we are going to start putting them in places where we want them to be, and they will look very beautiful. So what we are doing today, we are just organizing this soil, and then we transplant, and after they have caught up, I will show you how the compound is really going to look beautiful. For now it's not looking so beautiful because we are still working, and yeah, so this is beautiful.